Good evening, dear students. This is BCom first semester, Financial Accounting first. Myself, Chodappa RC, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Koratagiri, GFGC, Government First Unit College. Today, I discuss about first unit, accounting standards. In that, meaning of accounting standards, objectives, procedure, authority, and also list of Indian accounting standards and a list of international accounting standards which are issued by IASC. So this is related to first unit accounting standards. Today we discuss about what is accounting standards, meaning and also objectives and also issues and significance and also limitations. This is part first of unit 1. So, accounting standards means AS, accounting standards of ICAI. ICAI means Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. That is what expand for this. The accounting standards which are issued and amended by Accounting Standard Board ASB. ASB means Accounting Standard Board of the ICAI from time to time to establish uniform standards which have to be complied to ensure that financial statements are prepared uniformly in accordance with generally accepted accounting practices, means GAAP, generally accepted accounting practices in India and for better understanding of the users. Dear students, this is introduction to accounting standards. Accounting standards which are issued by one of the board, that board is called Accounting Standard Board. This board is constituted by ICAI under the guidance of central government. So ICAI means Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. It is one of the major authority. It constitutes the one of the board. That board is called an Accounting Standard Board. This board issues and amended number of accounting standards from time to time. Means time to time means yearly, year wise, according to the time. That number of accounting standards issued, not only issued and also amended time to time, according to periodically. So, why? To establish uniform standards, very important. To establish uniform standards, ಒಂದೇ ತೆರನಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದೇ ತೆರನಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ have to be complied to ensure that financial statements are prepared. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಏನು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್, accordance with the generally accepted accounting principles in India and the better understanding for the users. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರಪ್ಪ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ASB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್, ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜನರಲ್ accepted accounting practices in India and also better understanding of the users. Means who are the users? Common people. All are the users. People means not only your individual, all company or partnership firm which are included. So for better understanding the users, this is what you call introduction to accounting standards. Meaning, very simple meaning. Accounting standards are written documents or guidelines which are issued by expert accounting body or by government or other regulatory body covering the all aspects of recognition, treatment, measurement, presentation and disclosure of accounting transactions and events in the financial statements. Dear students, this is very important meaning. Meaning ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಟನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಟನ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಟನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನೆ. issued by expert accounting body. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು? ASB. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು? ASB, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಅಥವಾ ಬೈ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಬಾಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಬಾಡಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೇನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ICAI ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ASB ನ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ they are the written policy documents or guidelines issued by what is called expert accounting body or by government or by other regulatory body covering the aspects of recognition, what is called recognition of events and financial records ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, measurement of events and financial records ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, treatment of records and also events ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, presentation disclosure of accounting transactions. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರೀ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. An accounting standard is a principle that guides and standardizes the accounting practices. Very simple meaning. It's one principle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ದಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ? ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಬರೀ ಬಂದೆವು. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. They are the guidelines, they are the written documents ಅಥವಾ strategies ಅಥವಾ rules and regulations. They are laid down by expert accounting body. Expert accounting body means ASB, accounting standard board ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. As to how business transactions are recorded in the books of account. ಏನನ್ನ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಹೌ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್. ಹೌ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Business transactions andre it may be what called sole trading, it may be partnership firm, it may be corporate, it may be any entity, any type of entity totally. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಟು ಹೌ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟೆಡ್. ಹೌ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಶೋ. Means exhibited means represent or show in financial statements. Financial statements ಅಲ್ಲಿ financial transaction ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. This is also very important meaning. Therefore, accounting standards are guidelines laid down means issued ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Laid down means issued by the expert accounting body as to how business transactions are to be recorded in the books of account and the manner in which business transactions are to be exhibited in financial statements. This is meaning also. ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಬೈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಏನೇನು ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಬೈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಬೈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, recognition of events and transactions in the financial statement. ಒಂದು, it recognizes the events and transactions in the financial statements. What are the transactions, what are the events in financial statements like P&L account, balance sheet and etc. ಅದನ್ನು recognize ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು, measurement these transactions and events. After recognition of events and transactions, that events and transactions measured, that is the second one issue. And third one, presentation. After recognition and measurement, presentation. What are the events, what are the transactions are measured, they should be present in financial statements. That's all. And after that, recognition, measurement, presentation, finally fourth one, disclosure requirements of accounting transactions. disclosure requirements of accounting transactions and events in the financial statements. This is another one what you call issue. That means disclosure. What is the requirement of these accounting standards related to accounting transactions and events of financial statements? Therefore, recognition, measurement, presentation, and disclosure of requirements. This is the issues or events or elements which are dealt by accounting standards. And objectives. There are so many objectives are there. First one, eliminate non-comparability of financial statement. This is a very important point. The accounting standards must eliminate the non-comparability in events and accounting standards and also accounting statements. And second one, provide set of standards for accounting policies, norms, and disclosure requirements. So always accounting standards provide a number of standard accounting policies and also norms and also rules and also disclosure requirements which are needed. And third one, improving reliability of financial statements through accounting standards, through issued accounting standards and amended, it improves the reliability, means worthiness of financial statements. Then, and another one point, object, to standardize the diverse accounting policies and practices. What are the policies and practices and principles of accountants is there? They should be standardized, means they should be improved. And fifth one, to provide disclosures in their financial statements. That is very important. To provide disclosures, what are the requirements to financial statements or business transactions and events. And last one, to evaluate significance of financial statements for the entity's financial position and performance. Means any one entity, if it is sole trading or partnership or company, it discloses, evaluates significance. What is the financial position? What is the performance of each company? Idana analyze madutte, evaluate madutte. That is another object. These are the 6 objects of goals or reasons of accounting standards. Then significance means uses or advantages, the benefits, and also scope. Very important significance. Accounting standards useful to investors in judging yield and risk involved in alternative investments in different companies in different countries. Very important. It is guide to the investors how to invest the money in different companies in different countries and how much yield should be earned and what is the risk that should be followed. That is first one advantage. And second one, it raises standards of auditing. Very important. Accounting standards, it raises standards of auditing regarding reporting of financial statements. And third one, it is very helpful to government officials, tax authorities, and others regarding for producing in accordance with the established standards to reliable and acceptable. And financial statements which are produced will be reliable documents for the purpose of analysis and interpretation by analysts, researchers, and consultants for economic planning and forecasting. Means for the purpose of, it is very helpful to researchers, accounting standards, researchers help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, analysts help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, consultant help ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ for economic forecasting, for planning, ತನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ, ತನ್ನ economic forecast ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ accounting standards are very helpful, and they lay down the uniform accounting policies and practices. Very important. Accounting standards which are laid down uniform accounting policies and practices for all type of business, all type of entities. And also another one advantage, they increase and improve the credibility and also reliability of accounting information. Very important advantage means it increases the credibility and also improve the reliability of accounting information and also accounting financial statements. And another one, these are the very important merits or advantages. And what is the limitations? Accounting standards cannot override the status, means it is not possible to override any status. And second one, there may be trend towards rigidity and away of flexibility, means always accounting standards are not easily adaptable. They are rigid, they are difficult to adapt, and also they are not easily changed. They are not flexible. They are not easily easily changed from one these accounting standards easily. And choice between different alternative accounting treatments may become difficult. Means it is not possible to adopt alternative accounting policies or norms or practices. Because of accounting standards are fixed by the accounting standard board, these are uniform to all type of business. Therefore, it is not possible to adopt alternative accounting treatments. It is very difficult to adopt alternative accounting treatments. These are the limitations or demerits of what is called accounting standards. Then what is the scope and functions? In the functions of accounting standard board, it is also very important. Very important functions of the role of accounting standard board means ASB to formulate accounting standards. Very important. First one, accounting standard board is accounting standards formulate product. Formulate means plan madi, prepare madi. That is very important to formulate the accounting standards. Very simple function. Second one, to support the objectives of International Accounting Standards Committee. Very important. ASB, Indian Accounting Standard Board, it supports the International Accounting Standard Committee support ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ objectives ಅದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು support ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ always. And third one, it issue guidance notes on accounting standards. Very important. Always accounting standard board ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ accounting standards ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ it issue guidance how these accounting standards are adaptable. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು and give clarification if any issue. Suppose ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ. That is very important point. And to review the accounting standards periodically means accounting standard board, it reviews the accounting standards periodical intervals, means time to time. Time to time means every year they should be reviewed. ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And to propagate the accounting standards and pursue the concerned parties to adopt them in preparation and presentation of financial statements. Very important ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, it propagate the accounting standards means accounting standard board propagate the accounting standards means accounting standards ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಟು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಟು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ or company, and they what is called give information to the all the parties regarding how to adopt these accounting standards regarding any one company, any one entity. These are the very important functions of accounting standard board. Therefore, dear students, in this part 1 of unit first, I discuss accounting standard board ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ introduction, meaning, and also what is called issues and objectives, significance or benefits or advantages and limitations, and also functions of accounting standard board. In next video, I discuss about procedure and also authority of accounting standard board. Thank you.